Homeschooling with Camille. Before I get into my intro, make sure you hit the like, subscribe, comment, and share what you like about the Stocker family. Homeschooling with Camille. So, who am I? I am Camille A. Stocker. I am a homeschool mom of 2 girls, a 2nd and a 4th grader, and I'm here to take you on our journey. Y'all know what I forgot? I was so busy trying to say who I was. Guess what? It's Friday. Happy Friday. Now, here we go. I am Camille A. Stocker. I am a homeschool mom of 2 girls, a 2nd and a 4th grader, and I'm here to take you on our journey of our day in life of homeschooling with me. So, today I'm going to be talking about why I homeschool, where I started, my journey, all of that very quickly, because every week I come to you and I give you tips, or I tell you about things I've learned, or how I'm doing this, or how I'm scheduling this, but I've never really said why I began my journey, how I got here, and all of that. So why I started homeschooling, I believe in 2018, a friend of the family came and sat in our living room and explained that I could homeschool, and I was intrigued. I was like, what? And then it made a huge understanding of why I was feeling anxiety when I would put my children on the bus and all that stuff that came with it. But I just saw that and I was like, I want to do it. I didn't have any information. I didn't know a lot about what it was I was going to do. And I went into it like, yeah, I want to do it. And I thought that it was just going to be bam, bam, bam. But I lost my confidence in it because everybody around me didn't understand it. And so once that happened, I was like, I'm not going to do it. I got a little scared, right? So pandemic happens, and that was my opportunity. My girls were enrolled in school, and they did the virtual for 1 week, that first week of September, and I pulled them out that Friday. And what bothered me was I can't even remember, my oldest, she was sitting at this little table we had built for her, and the teacher was kind of like, are you paying attention? I'm like thinking, how the heck she's supposed to be paying attention to this screen, you know? So that was like, nope. And then at the time I had my youngest was a kindergartner, and I said, oh no, we're not doing this. So that Friday I pulled them out, and I had no idea what I was doing. I just knew I had some workbooks, I had some reading books, and that's what we went with. And that first year, we were my husband and I were out like doing our podcast, so we were always like on the go homeschooling. So it was just like, okay, you do these math problems because we have to go do this, and it was like on the road. And so that's how that went. Then the second year, it was more structured. It was more, I had all the stuff on the wall. Here goes your ABCs, here goes this. I bought all the manipulatives, and it was good. It was stressful though. That was very, very stressful for me. And then in the process of that, at the end or the beginning of 2022, we were moving. So that was like a hiccup in there. And so so this year I'm creating my own curriculum. I'm making everything as simple as possible. We're starting our homeschool a little bit later, and that's the journey with homeschooling. Now, why did I start recording myself and videoing? I guess videoing and recording is the same thing. But I started recording myself that week that I did start homeschooling to hold myself accountable. I wanted to make sure that the girls were being taught, and that I was waking up every morning and applying myself to their education. And we created so much. One of the things that I'm really proud of for creating with my children is on Wednesdays we bake. So on Wednesdays we bake, and it happened during the pandemic. And so every Wednesday we would get up and we would bake something. Our most popular thing that we bake is chocolate chip cookies. But yes, I started recording to hold myself accountable. And as I started holding myself accountable, I saw that other moms were kind of struggling or not knowing what to do. So then aha moment was, let me help. This is what I'm doing. This is how simple it is. You don't have to go overboard. You see, because I was following a lot of mothers who were purchasing the expensive curriculum. And I was like, I can't afford that. I have to look on Amazon. I need used books. I need to go to the thrift store. I need to budget how much I'm going to spend on each child. And so that's where that came from. And that is what I am here to do. So I also don't just focus on faith-based or, you know, the secular, the non-secular. If you're a homeschool mom, I feel that although I do a lot of faith-based stuff with my children, I feel that you can take some of my stuff, and if you don't believe in that, you can not take that, but you can take everything else, the ideas and everything that I do give. And that's really just the basis of it. It came to a point of me helping my children to me wanting to help you succeed in your homeschooling, whatever it is that you want to do. So if you have any questions for me, if you want to tell me about your journey, how was your journey, when did you start, how long have you been doing it, what type of curriculum are you using this year, do you see yourself making your own curriculum? I know a lot of questions, right? But if you could just put your answers down in the comments, I reply back because I love seeing it. I love interacting with you all who comment. So I hope this helps you. So as always, I pray you have a blessed day. I pray you have a blessed weekend and have a blessed week. And I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.